How to check or fix Life360 no network or phone off. So first thing you want to do is check your connection. So make sure you have an unstable connection or internet connection. Then check your phone's power settings. So make sure that you have the low power mode on, which will stop Life360's functions. So make sure it is also on or off. Since those modes turn off and background functions in Life360 causes the no network or phone off message. Then make sure the app has permissions. So simply just allow Life360 to have some permissions for the Bluetooth, location, notifications, and other things. Then you might want to also update Life360. So if you haven't already, simply just go to your App Store and simply update your Life360 app. And then lastly, you want to change your location. So it allows apps to use specific locations, and with the settings off, the apps can only determine your approximate location. And you can also kickstart your Life360 connection by changing the password. And that's how you can basically fix Life360 no network or phone off.